Amy Lee, and I'm a nail artist based in Los Angeles, California. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a fun, sleek, oil slick manicure using all gel polish. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and paint all your nails with a base coat in Cure. I'm using an LED lamp where all I need is 20 seconds. If you are using a UV lamp or a lower wattage LED lamp, go ahead and cure for 60 or 90 seconds to make sure it cures all the way through. After base coat, you can either keep it clear or do what I'm doing and painting it my favorite color. I'm using a nude, and when you're finished, go ahead and put that in the light. Now, take your film on gel and paint any portion of your nails that you want to have an oil slick look. You don't need a steady hand to do this, so with a thin coat, just go ahead and paint that on and put it in the light. Now, take a lint-free wipe, saturate it in a 99% alcohol, and clean out the inhibition layer of your nails. Now, you're going to take your oil slick foil. I'm gonna cut mine into smaller portions, like this little patch, and press it onto the film gel portion of my nails. Don't worry if you don't have a flawless application, because it's actually the imperfections that really bring dimension to your look. Now, whenever I'm using foil, I always like to sandwich my foil with gel. So here I am layering another base coat in Cure. Now, using your liner brush, I'm going to dip it in a gold polish and draw uneven lines outlining my foil. Literally, the messier you do it, the better it looks, which is why this is one of my favorite looks to recreate, because you really can't mess it up. When you're all finished, go ahead and put that in the light. And last, go ahead and top coat your nail art for a long-lasting manicure. And there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you really enjoyed this look. If you decide to recreate this look, go ahead and tag me and IPSY, because we'd love to see how it turns out. Bye for now.